Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer LT. It comes equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple Carplay and Android Auto with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, heated cloth bucket seats, lane keep assist, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all-black doors with the gray and chrome accents. We're going to have paneling and storage on the bottom, equipped with our rear liftgate controls and our speakers. It'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and the power windows as well. Just the driver's seats can be power adjustable. You're going to have these two-tone cloth bucket heated seats. Very comfortable. Moving in, you're going to have these huge vents and your lighting controls on the left. And to the steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control and forward collision alert. And the right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. So with cluster control, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information from your fuel range, as well as your oil life, tire pressure, air filter, and as well as your other economy. And you can also access your Bluetooth connectivity as well as your navigation and then other vehicle settings as well. Push the starts up there. You're going to have your auto stop and your hazards. Of course, with the huge vents, you're going to have 2 USB ports right at the center. And as well as up top here, you're going to have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and navigation, as well as Sirius XM and your camera with your trailer hitch view. And your My Chevrolet also accessed. Down below, you're going to have a wireless charging pad there as well. You're going to have the new Chevrolet shifter, and as well as your park assist, lane keep assist, 2 and 4-wheel drive, 2 drive, 4 drive, as well as race mode and your snow output. Center console with extra storage and a 12-volt DC port. Passenger sides manually adjustable. It's going to have that 2-tone finish. Again, same style on the door with the vents right there and the chrome going across. Hit the glove box, just hit that button, it'll pop right out. You're going to have speakers up top as well. And then up top, you can also access your OnStar services, your SOS, your reading lamps, and the sunglass case holder. You're going to have these 18-inch alloy wheels. You're going to have the paint match mirror caps and the paint match keyless entry door handles. Black luggage rack up top. When you come into the back, you're going to have the dual polished tipped exhaust, as well as the power liftgate. Power liftgate, you're going to have tons of extra room, as well as extra lamps and hooks and a 12-volt DC port, as well as extra wheel well storage and tools if you know how to change a tire. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear, again, we're going to have the same style, cup holder and storage, equipped with the speakers. That'll come up here to the power windows with the chrome handle. Hop in, you're going to have tons of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat with rear ventilation, rear USB ports, and as well as extra storage. Right in the center, cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer LT. It comes equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.